Sophie here wants to become a member of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. But first, she has to pass a series of difficult tests. In preparation, we'll be working on her agility, keen eyesight, and bigger glasses. So guys, check this right out. Sophie, I want you to go. Very good girl. And stay. Great job, Sophie. And then let's see if you can catch this. Wow! Great job, Sophie. Good girl. Let's like we're here. Sea Lion Marine Patrol headquarters.
Sikaw.
My partner, he's a senior member of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol and his name is Guy. Say hi, Tom. Keep your seat. Ready? Ready? Okay. Go ahead. And how about a nice rainbow try this? Say hi. No one goes here at Ocean Adventure. We care so much for the environment. And the sea lions want to do their part to protect the ocean, which of course is their natural home. So they formed the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. And today we'll see if Sophie has what it takes to become a member of the city group. So Sophie and Christine, ready? Ready to see that? Yes, you are ready. Good. Then let's see you snap the attention. No problem. Attention! Hey, Sophie, wake up! Come on, let us see you. How about some fish? Would you like some fish? Well, I'm sorry about that, ma'am. It was a long game of whiskey. Maybe she's a little tired. Well, Christine, when you're a member of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol, you must be strong. No problem. Drum roll, please. So, how's that first round? That was good, but why? What can you say about that? Let's try to do better than that, right? Okay. So step down here and show them what real strength looks like. One time. And show them. That was really good, but you know what, guys? Sophie can do that, no problem. Right, Sophie? Hey, what do you mean? No, you can do it, right? Stop eating, Sophie. Why won't you step down here and show them your amazing 100%? Now. Hey, you think I have a golden flipper, Sophie? So does it mean no one flipper stand? Ma'am, yeah, but check this one out. You know, there's some people take that. Very nice. And now goes to your Sea Lion Marine Patrol. That's because those guys are South American sea lions, not the seal. How can you tell? We know. Sea lions has these big, powerful front flippers. They use these flippers to swim to the water, like a bird uses its wings to fly through the air. That's right. They also have rotatable hind flippers, so moving on land is so easy. So guys, show them.